Okay, for this lesson I'm going to teach you how my students divide a word into syllables when there is a magic E at the end of the word. So first I would start by telling my students to find the first two vowels and mark them. Then I would tell my students to draw a bridge between the vowels and label the consonants on that bridge, or the consonants between the two vowels. M is a consonant and the P is a consonant. Now I would tell them to follow one of our syllable pattern rules to divide this part of the word into syllables. And just to review, our pattern rules are vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel. Here we would divide the word between the two consonants. The second most common syllable pattern is a vowel and then consonant, vowel. And thirdly, a vowel, consonant, vowel. Okay, so here I see we have vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel. That follows my first rule. I divide between the two consonants. So now I can read my first syllable, which is am. And here you'll see me marking it with the breve, which is the symbol for a short vowel. Just to review, I know that it's a short vowel because this syllable is closed in. The M consonant closes in the vowel, making the vowel have a short sound. Now that I've divided that syllable type, I move on to the next two vowels, my U and my A. Because see, in every syllable there is a vowel sound. That's why I start by finding my vowels. So the second and third vowel have been marked, and I draw my bridge, label the consonant, and here I see vowel, consonant, vowel. I have to decide where I'm going to divide that part of the word. According to my syllable types, I should start by trying to divide after the vowel. If I do that, then I would divide here. We learned that this would be an open syllable because there is not a consonant closing in the vowel. Therefore, the vowel makes the long sound. If I divide here, then my first two syllables would be am, pew, maybe, or am, put. I'm pretty sure I should divide here, not here. Because see, if I've divided here, it would be am, put, and I'm pretty sure that that's not correct. That doesn't sound right to me. Of course, I could come back and fix that if I needed to. Oh, I think I told you we would divide here. I'm sorry, we would divide either before the consonant or after the consonant here. Okay, so now I'm going to mark that vowel as long. Am, pew, and then I'll look at my last syllable. I know that this has two vowels, but my students already know that when there's an E at the end of a multisyllabic word or a big word, it's not going to say anything. It acts like a magic E. It's magic because the E is able to jump over one consonant sound. The consonant sound here is the T. It can jump over one consonant sound, making the vowel say its name, the long A sound. This is called a magic E syllable. Some students confuse it with an open syllable because they see the E is at the end and they think, oh, there's no consonant closing it in. It must be an open syllable. But actually there are two vowels here, and you have to look at the whole picture of this syllable. And the whole picture here of the syllable shows me that there's a magic E changing the sound of the A. Now you can read that syllable as Tate. All together, I can read amputate. I have a closed syllable, an open syllable, and now I know that I have a magic E syllable. Some people call it a silent E. In my classroom, we call it a magic E.